Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best makeup train cases that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Travel Makeup Train Case Makeup Cosmetic Case Organizer Portable Artist Storage Bag. It is a multi-functional makeup train case that lets you take your cosmetics anywhere you want. This is made of Oxford fabric and includes nylon lining. This is highly functional and is in a durable design. It is lightweight and portable and has spill-proof interiors. Moreover, this is shockproof, waterproof, and is resistant to wear. This will also provide you with ample storage space and can accommodate all of your cosmetic accessories like nail polish, lipstick, hairbrushes, nail art tools, eyeshadow, makeup brushes, and shampoo. In this, you will find adjustable compartments, which lets you organize your items in a proper way. Furthermore, this will ensure that your makeup tools remain neat and tidy as it has various compartments. This also has slots for brushes and has a wide handle that lets you carry it with ease. Moreover, this has a two-way zipper for keeping your items safe and lets you have easy access to your needs. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Yaheetech 4360° Wheels 3-in-1 Professional Aluminum Artist Rolling Trolley Makeup Train. Providing you with large storage space, this makeup train case can fit in all of your makeup tools. This is very easy to transport as it has a telescopic pull handle and includes 4 detachable wheels. It is in an ergonomic design and lets you attach it with a strap. This is an ideal way to organize your makeup tools in a better way as it has several dividers. Moreover, this has retractable trays, and you can easily remove the middle storage. The top and bottom compartments are large in size and can store different items like brush bags, hair dryer, hair straightener and many more. Furthermore, this has a sturdy structure and will keep your items secure. It comes in a versatile design and is also very suitable for professional makeup artists and beauticians. This is very durable and has a capacity of up to 66 pounds. It is also stylish and is very protective. Overall, it is one of the best makeup train cases to opt for. At number 3, we have the Travel Makeup Case, Chomeiu Professional Cosmetic Makeup Bag Organizer Makeup Boxes. Made with waterproof materials, this makeup train case comes in a lightweight design. This is made of nylon fabric and is portable. It will easily fit in your suitcase and can withstand the pull's weight. It will allow you to design the internal compartments as it has adjustable padded dividers. Moreover, this is durable and includes a slot for a makeup brush. In this, you will find an elastic pocket that can accommodate different sizes of a makeup brush. It is easy to clean, and you also don't have to worry about residual stains. Furthermore, this is in a unique design and has a soft lining, which is safe for your skin. This has a sponge-wrapped partitions that create a safe space. The makeup case is multifunctional and allows you to take it anywhere you want. You can easily keep your electronic items in this, and it also prevents shaking of your items due to its versatile design. Considering all the features, it is one of the best makeup train cases to buy. At number 2, we have the SHANY Color Matters Nail Accessories Organizer and Makeup Train Case. Available in fashionable design, this makeup train case lets you carry it with ease. This has a faux leather exterior and is resistant to water and dust. This has a large main compartment and includes an embedded pouch. Moreover, this is perfect for organizing your accessories and holds your items securely. In this, you will find stylish latches and is in a chic design. It is also pill-proof and is very convenient to carry. Furthermore, it will provide you with a simple storage option and is perfect for nail accessories and individual makeup items. It comes in a perfect size and lets you have a professional look. And finally, at number 1, we have the Makeup Train Case Professional Adjustable 6 Trays Cosmetic Cases Makeup Storage Organizer Box. Made with durable materials, this makeup train case has reinforced corners and aluminum frame. It comes in an extra large size and has different compartments to accommodate your makeup needs. You can easily organize various items like palettes, lipsticks, and foundations with ease, and it keeps your makeup area clean. Furthermore, this has customized trays and allows you to adjust them in different lengths to avoid a spill. In this, you will find a deep bottom compartment, which lets you have easy access to items. Moreover, this is suitable for daily use and is ideal for any professional. It is sturdy and also includes a safety lock and a strong strap that keeps your item well secure. It is definitely one of the best makeup train cases on the list. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.